How to use waitlisting for a class. To access registration, log into my portal and locate the registration self-service card and click the Open Registration Dashboard link. On the main registration dashboard, click the Register for Classes. Select a term from the drop-down menu. The Find Classes tab will display a basic search criteria of campus, subject, and course number. If you need more advanced search criteria, click the Advanced Search link, then enter your criteria and click the Search button. Classes that have a waitlist will have information on the enrollment waitlist column. If the class is full, you may join the waitlist. To join the waitlist, click on Add, and the class will appear below in the summary panel with the status of pending. Be sure to change the action to waitlist. Click Submit to complete the waitlist request. On your summary panel, you will see the status is now waitlist. To view your position in the waitlist, click on the schedule details. To leave the waitlist, locate the course and click the drop-down menu and select Web Drop option. Then click Submit. You will see the status is updated to deleted, meaning you are no longer on the wait list. Click Submit to remove the class from the summary panel. This concludes how to use the waitlisting for a class.